Hi, I'm Abby from YourFinancialEducationTutor.com. How are you today? Hope that everything is going well with you. Hope that you are handling your finances. And today I'm going to talk to you a little about credit and why is it that we all need credit. And one of the reasons I want to talk to you about it is because of a little personal experience that my husband and I went through just a couple weeks ago, and that was when we was trying to purchase a car and trying to get it financed, and we had a very tough time because my husband really doesn't have any credit, and I don't have any credit at all, and it was a trying time. I mean, we don't have enough money to go out and pay cash for a car. So for all those, people, financial gurus out there that's telling you that you don't need credit, you better think twice about that. Well, my husband did end up buying a car, but of course, because his credit score was so low, and mine was even lower than his because we have no credit. Not that we have bad credit, we have no credit at all. Well, he had some, I don't have any. So, he was able to buy a car and he got it financed. And, the notes are a little bit more than what we really wanted to pay. But because of us not having any credit, and so, the financing company and the bank actually um, um, gave him a higher interest rate than he would have, have to have paid if he had credit. So I'm going to talk to you today about establishing credit. And I'm about to start establishing credit because I need to. My husband and I, we experienced this and didn't think that we was going to have to experience this, but we did. And so I've been knowing that I should have established some credit, but haven't done it. Just really don't want to do it because we don't have much debt and we trying to stay away from it. But this is what I'm gonna start doing, and I hope that this is gonna help you. I'm gonna try to do it whereas I really don't have no debt. I'm going to go to a bank and find out whether they offer a secured credit card, and if they do offer a secured credit card, I'm going to, ask them what is the minimum amount of money that I need to deposit to, get started on my secured credit card. Okay, a secure credit card is when you actually deposit some money into a bank, and then the bank, if they have qualified you for the secure credit card, will give you a credit card. And usually, the amount of money that you deposit into that account is your credit limit. That money is yours. You can't touch that money as long as you have the credit card. So what happens is it's similar like a collateral for a car or a house. Your money becomes your collateral for the credit card. And so what I'm going to do is once I do that, I'm gonna find out what is the minimum, and and then if they allow me to have a credit card, I get a credit card. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to everything that I usually buy, my groceries or any type of household things that I buy, on a monthly basis, instead of me using cash like I've been doing, I'm going to take that credit card once I get it, and I'm going to use it to buy whatever it is that I usually buy with cash. Then I'm going to take the cash and I'm not going to spend it. I'm going to keep it and I'm going to send it to the credit card company that issued me the credit card before the month is out. That way, I never have a balance. So it's almost like not being in debt, but yet you are establishing some credit. So that is where I'm going to do it. I'm going to try to do two different, banking institutions and get two different credit cards and, maybe use one credit card just to buy my groceries, another credit card, just to do household items like, cleaning items, or I'm going to buy some clothes instead of me paying cash. I use the credit card and pay and keep the cash and pay the credit card off. That way, I'll be establishing credit and at the same time be building up my credit score. And my husband's gonna do the same thing. And so the next time that we have an issue where we have to buy something like a car or we have to buy maybe a refrigerator, washer and dryer, we won't have that problem no more. So that is all that I want to talk to you about to let you know that credit is establishing credit. I'm sorry, establishing credit is very important. So if stop listening to all those financial gurus that tell you not the case, because they have a lot of money probably. They have a lot of money to go pay cash for a car where I don't, we don't. And most of you guys that probably listen to me don't either. So, you can buy a car and still have a very low payment, but you need to have good credit. And most definitely you need to have credit. That is all for today. Thank you all for listening. I hope this helped you a lot and hope this helped you understand about, using credit. Subscribe to my channels and I'll be talking to y'all soon. Bye.